Welcome back to the Karate Kid 002. Take 2. Cause didn't have the microphone turned on. We're testing this microphone today. This is from the Go Viral Digipower vlogging kit. The kit comes with the light, filters for the light, microphone, tripod that the camera's on now. Got the Sony A7R II sitting on it. Comes with a bracket for mounting other hot shoe things and a smartphone holder. This is the box that comes in. You get it at Walmart. There. And it was $40 for the kit. This is your bracket. It's got 2 hot shoe mounts on it. Got a 50 LED light. You click and hold and it'll come on. And you got 3 brightness levels. And click and hold, turn that back off. It's got a little hot shoe mount for that light. It's got 3 blue, red, and white filters to go over the light. Got a smartphone holder. Got a Bluetooth shutter clicker that come in this attaches to the little tripod, and a charger for the LED light. That comes in the vlogging kit, and we got the microphone on here, which is the Digipower microphone that comes on here. You can see it on there, but it's on top of my camera right now. So this is a test of what it sounds like, and we plan on buying the Rode Micro vlogging mic and compare it to this one. So stay tuned for the next video on that. But yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna just do a little audio test. Got a guitar here. Got the air conditioner going wide open. This is a test of the got the air conditioner going wide open. This is a test of the home camera audio. Now I'm going to stop this video and we're going to try out the Digipower microphone. Alright, and now you should be getting audio from the Digipower shotgun mic. So is it any better? This way, still got the air blowing full blast. So yeah, let's test audio for this one. Well, for a second. Okay, that's with no air, just a little road noise. And somebody got a new haircut today. I'm gonna go do a photo shoot, and we're gonna take y'all along for the photo shoot. I'm just gonna go to. We're gonna be going to downtown Laurel, Mississippi, and yeah, gotta head that on. Somebody painted on the walls. Water dripping on this plant.
Oh, here's her. He was done on put there.
The artwork.
The Instagram.
Oh, that's the Star Wars. Just noticed that.
Photo shoot walls.
Yeah. Where you want to do a photo shoot at?
No, I'm just.
Oh, they did. This is is all in downtown Laurel, right? Where are we at?
Brick Street.
Brick
the
Street,
old part of
old part of Laurel, Mississippi. I like the deer one. And I like the Star Wars. Little LED light. This is a test of the microphone on the camera itself, the in-body microphone, from about 3 feet away from the camera. So let's test the microphone. The external microphone now. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the test of the microphone that we got. So test 1, 2, 3. So test 1, 2, 3 of the vlogging microphone. Come with a kit. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, and 3. Test. Test. Well, I'm not really talking that loud. I'm talking real loud when I didn't have the mic plugged in, so it should be about the same audio level. What's the light? Same little light. The Digipower Go Viral microphone, and we will be back with another video comparing it with the Rode Micro vlogging mic. So y'all don't want to miss that video, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like if you like this video, and let me know what you think about this microphone, what it sounds like, and throw a clip in here of just the audio of the A7R2 internal mic also, so kind of comparison there. And there, we'll put a link in the description to where you can find this kit. Pretty cool little kit. I was surprised it come with a light. Pretty bright little light too. So check the link in the description. Remember to hit that subscribe, like, comment. Y'all have a blessed day. God bless you and your entire family. We out of here.